Incoming president will have to wait for parliamentary approval for any borrowing after the 12th parliament passed into law starting orders that will guide the cash office on debt limits for each financial year. Uhuru Kenyatta's government has been blamed for being debt hungry that saw the outgoing president drive the country's debt to 8.6 trillion shillings, which put the country at the risk of default.
The 12th Parliament approved Kenya's debt ceiling to be increased to 10 trillion shillings from 9 trillion shillings that was set in 2019 as Uhuru Kenyatta rushed to deliver on his legacy project before stepping out of power. The incoming president will not, however, have his way easy as the same Parliament passed into law standing orders for the National House that will see Parliament approve Kenya's debt ceiling before giving the go-ahead for Treasury to come up with a budget policy statement. This follows constant concern on an ever-rising debt ceiling for Kenya that has been revised twice in an year to the current 10 trillion shillings, with the current debt projected to hit 9.5 trillion shillings by the end of June 2022, leaving the country with just 500 million shillings to touch the current ceiling. The incoming president will have to find ways of navigating the tough condition set by the House to get money to fund their manifesto and key projects. The 13th Parliament will have to try to contain the ballooning debt situation in the country. Whether the discussion of capping the budget at 55% of the GDP will resurface again is still a matter to be seen. For now, the hope for the incoming president is that he will have majority in both houses so as to have flexibility in getting the money to spend on their projects. Edwin John Mokora, Look Up Business.